Good morning, Neil. You two, well, there you go, Stone Cold. Neil didn't give me a like when he joined, but you did, so fair play to you. Shame on you, Neil. And everybody else that's joined since. So, yeah, you got the first like in there. First thumbs up from Stone Cold. Well done. Have a brewski for that. This is just a continuation of the yesterday's catalyst of expansion into Macau. Spreads are quite rangy. That's the first one. Oh, we gotta love these spreads. Nice. I hope I do too, Alistair. So far, so good. Long may it continue. My back's been giving me jip today. I think it's the way I've been sleeping. Thought, what if I was in the pool would get rid of it, but it's not done. See. What's the view up at the minute? 6:15. This went up to 549 yesterday. It's a recent IPO, by the way, but all-time high is 777. That was last Friday, I believe. Any new low? So low of this is 576. So the $0.75. We're looking for support at the $0.75. We get it. We take the hit. It's just continuation. Like I say, the IPO last Friday. So it's just continuation. Expanded into Macau on Wednesday. So that was the catalyst for a move up earlier this week. So it's just continuation. There's no company specific news today. It's just continuation of previous catalyst. Cheers, Tom. Hey, Alberto. Don't want to pop and drop. We don't like pop and drops. I had one of those earlier. I managed to get profitable on that earlier. LGVN. I'm holding this one a bit too long. Out. It's almost 8:30. $0.75 levels proving crucial. That's the breakdown level. I need a good clean day. I had a terrible day yesterday. All my own doing, of course. And that's I suppose that's the thing with trading, is that you can't blame anyone else for your poor decisions. It's entirely down to you. Let's go. Let's go, Brandon. No. Won't do the fake outs. Let's go back up. That's $7. Yeah, I've just brought below what I wanted to have as a support, so let's get out. Nah. ICCM, low price stock. IceCure Medical, that's popping up. It's over $1 now. No volume on the Palace, but that's trying to bounce. Pop and drop. Hey, Lisa. Yeah, no problem. LGBN, pop up, pull back, entry, move back up, rejected at the top, bought the VWAP, moved up, got out. First candle makes a new low after that, getting out, and then it just pulled back. So the executions are there. That's how I made that money on LGBN. Quite simple, really. First pullback, get in for the break of new highs. It didn't break. I was looking for it to break the a new high of day. Didn't quite get up there. So I looked for a bounce on the VWAP as it went in there. It did actually pull back, but then I added to the position there. Took that off, then half down, and then got the rest as it broke lows there. Just carried on selling off. If it carries on, it might come back later. It's a good catalyst. But that was LGVN, yeah. What else has moved today? So we've got Grom Social's moved. Again, no specific catalyst that I'm seeing on Grom Social, but we'll see what happens. Back over 6, this is interesting. Until it does, I'm not really interested. On Veron, again, this one needs to get over $3 for me. Market as a whole, how are we getting on in the market? Well, it went green and now it's back red again. So, yeah, market's looking a bit weak today. Had a nice day yesterday, not a big day, but a nice green day yesterday after breaking lows. So we'll see what the market does today. We've got job claims just dropped, which is jobless numbers and the likes have just dropped, which is why it's pulling back. Market pulling back. I'll go through the jobless claims now, actually, whilst we're all friends here. So, jobless claims. Initial jobless claims, 207,000 versus the 210 estimate. So that's good for the market. More people unemployed than anticipated. Trade balance, that's what's, and continuing jobless claims, 1664 versus the 1675,000 prior. Now, that's bad. So it's kind of, they balance each other out. US trade balance for August, 58.3 billion versus the minus 58.3 billion versus the negative 62.3 billion. And it was estimated, and 64.7 billion prior. So they're cutting the deficit, but the market's not reacting well, pulling back. So that's the news drop at the bottom of the hour. LGBN, if it gets over $3, maybe. So guys, what are you watching today? Is there anything you want me to take a look at? I see. ICCM still moving. Breaking highs up here at 108. Only a dot. It's a very low price stock, so people want to look. I know some of you like trading these low price stocks. I don't, but usually lose when I trade under $2. Let's keep that like count high. Let's if you've not hit this, if you've not smashed that thumbs up button, just do it as a matter of course. I will be going through various things today, trying to keep you entertained, going through my Benzinga desktop and how I set that up a little bit later, and we'll be live trading until probably 11 o'clock ish, give or take. So make sure you smash that thumbs up button. DFS making moves. Infast Auto, where is it? Infast Auto. And I saw this earlier. It just didn't have the volume to be trading it, but this last 4 or 5 minutes, the volume has started to come in. But popped up to $9. It is earnings day for VFS, by the way. So quarterly vehicle sales are up 185% year over year. That's why it's moving. So VinFast Auto is dropped decent earnings this morning, and that's why it's moving up. Recent IPO back in August, I believe. Spreads are wide, so just be careful with this one. Look for a move up, move higher today. See, can we get that? Good morning, Dennis. How you doing, Adam? You're very welcome, all of you. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. You know the drill, guys. Caught between the spreads on this one at the minute. I know we're moving up. I want to see this up at $9. Afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you are, hello to you. It's good evening from me, and hello wherever you are, whatever time you've got. High day at the moment, 98, 898. If we can get 898, I'll be happy enough with that. With 10 cents, that'll be my 10 cents. Yeah, no worries, Neith. You're not the only one. So caught between the spreads at the moment. Spreads are 3 cents, between 3 and 6 cents. Well, this was a strong pop. We missed the entry really. The best proper entry here would have been about 8.55. But we caught the pullback, so let's that's why we got in there. Pullback started to make a move back up. I'm just waiting for it to retest the highs. Or break down, whichever comes first. Looking on the 2-minute chart, first candle break to the low on the 2-minute chart will be my time to exit, which will be 8.80. Low 8.80. I'm effectively giving it 8 cents. Right, we're at the high of day. We're on a new high of day there. Still waiting for the bid to catch up. As we test $9. No, bid never did catch up. It got wider. Spreads went up to 6 cents again. Right now, 5 cents. Let's see. VinFast Auto. So earnings can be a slow burn. When you get good earnings can they drop. And if it's good news, the market can react favorably. But very often there'll be a pop, and then a pullback, and then a slow burn. So might be one to watch for the remainder of the day. VinFast, PFS. I say it was a SPAC merger stroke IPO back in August. I said 880, it did cut past that. Yeah, we're all hoping for a good day. Low volume on ALX Oncology. Still have a good pre-market there on Tuesday. We're on Thursday today. Why am I thinking today's Friday? Is VFS a good entry right now? For me, my opinion, not stock pick, not financial advice. No. I'd wait to see if you signs of a turnaround. So right now it's breaking lows, and we'll probably pull back to 860 maybe, the VWAP. So if it continues breaking lows, what you want is you want to see some continued bullish momentum, i.e. candles making new highs, new higher highs. So at the moment, it's just broke another low. Where's my... So my cursor's here. So this was the low of this flush down. Then it broke a new low. So it's still breaking lows, even though that's a green candle. We're actually lower than that. So we need to, what's the high of this candle? 75, 76, 876. So it needs to get up over at high 870s before it starts to make moves back up. Hey, Robin. Well, VFS is still the top momentum stock right now, but it's not. Not especially pulling backwards, so not showing any real signs of bullishness. I must have missed MSS. I saw the PMEC and LRA, but must have missed that one. MSS, which one's that one? I thought that was tomorrow. Mason Solutions. Yeah, I've got MSS, but I thought that was tomorrow. Could be wrong. I have been wrong before. I've been wrong many times. I'm getting used to it at this stage. Do I add dollars to the trading account during the month to maintain buying power? I hope not. I should hope not. If you've got a small account and you're kind of getting depleted, then you can top it up. But I've got a larger account. Well, I say a larger account. I'm down to 60k now, so it's I've got a bit of a drawdown to recover from. So I'm down to 60k. But yeah, no, I don't. I don't tend to. I think the last time I aside from the small account challenge that I've done, the last time I topped up my account would have been 2021-ish. Actually, I did it last year. I withdrew, had a big drawdown, and cancelled the withdrawal before it came out. That's the closest I've got to an actual top up. Oh, well, I've got it for tomorrow, Dennis. But you might be right, because I'm seeing it as priced. Seeing the ticker as priced. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so it looks like that's going live. It's priced, and we're getting some action through it. So yeah, let's see. The entry would have been, yeah, 871 here, 872. They moved back up. That could have been a decent entry. You could have got 10 cents on that. Yeah. 880, and I'll have another look. Depending on the volume. If we get an increase in volume like we did on that last candle, watch the timing sales, the ticker, the timing sale. See what colour's going through on that. How fast it's going. Right now it's just the bid that's moving. Asking's still up there at 879. It's just the bid that's moving. This entire candle is the spread right now. Yeah, Phil. Hey, balls. I'm not sure why the price action isn't being shown on the chart here. What's going on? There you go. Maybe it's just delayed. I don't know. Oh, it's I've got an ask of 78, but the chart's only showing 76. So I don't know what's going on with that. Yeah, they're killing me the last couple of days as well, Vols. I mean, talk about death by 1,000 cuts. Slowly bleeding out. What's going on here? Gonna be trading this or what? Morning, BDT. Oh, BTD. Well, 34 minutes, unchanged. 34 minutes before the market actually opens. Need a green, yeah, you and me both. Well, you did better than me. So that gets back above $6. I might have another go at it though. I'll GV in above $3. Oh, don't just say thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up there. Buy the dip. Between the spreads. The spread's as much as 10 cents on this one. 8 cents. There's 2 cents at the moment, but I see a bit of volume coming in. Maybe top of the hour. Yes, I mean, up at 560s now. Trying to curl. Looks like it's trying to curl. 570s, 571. But VSME looks like it's trying to curl. Well, take it out of your belt buckle and stick it on the mouse button. Never seen the attraction of those decorative belt buckles. It just makes no. I don't know. I guess it's an American thing. Cowboy thing. Yeah, no, not turtle. I think I'll give that a pass, a hard pass at that. I mean, what's the point? Literally, unless you're trying to protect yourself from, you know, stray bullets, I just don't see one. I wouldn't buy that dip on the VWAP if the DS goes with it. Ask is still up there at 872. Yeah, I've seen them. I have seen them. You'll probably get a couple of pints on each one. I forgot you guys don't do pints over in the US. You do literally watered down beers. Like Budweiser and Bud Light and horrible. No, you can't even really call them beer. It's flavoured water. That's what it is. Cheers, Al. I think that's what I miss here. Going for pints. Nobody serves pints anymore. Well, not here anyway. Then again, you don't really want to buy pints in the tropics because your beer gets warm before you've had time to finish it. And my missus, she puts ice in the beer. I'm like, Philistine, no. No, just no. Yeah, I'm done with that one as well. Well, next trade has to be green. Otherwise, it's going to be a very, very early bath. Oof. We're over the VWAP. I did say $6 is my measuring stick here. Broke the VWAP, pull back. Next candle makes a new high. It's usually a good sign. See, I can see Grom spiking. I'm actually looking at the spike and the curl up on VSME right now, VS Media. Oh, no worries, Adam. Hey, oh, I don't know. How? Adam, that's fine. How are you getting? You've been very quiet, Alistair. Considering that your team thrashed PSG last night, I'm surprised that you're not a little bit more vocal. Congratulations, by the way. I did call it, though. I did call it. Hey, Spears. Nah. $6 is the target, not 5. $5.72, that's the low. I just broke it. Yeah, too much drink. Yeah, well, fair play to you. I mean, good performance that was. I didn't watch it live. I watched the highlights, but good performance by you, man. In Europe, finally finding your feet. $6 was key level pre-market on Monday as well. went up to 635. I've already been over that today. Went up to 670 today. This was 777 was the high on Friday. Hey, Spears. Yeah, the SME already taken off me today. But I'm going in, just to put this into context, I'm going in it, like this week I've been going uber aggressive. We're going to be taking like 10, 15 and 20,000 shares, which is very aggressive. And you've got to understand that if you take a 10,000 share position and it moves 20 cents, that's $2,000. Just remember that. It's all share size is relative to your losses and your gains. So size according to your account size. I'm actually sized in a little bit more than I should be. And if you're wanting better accuracy on your trading, look for the higher time frames. Trade on the 5 minute, for example. You might not get as much of the move, but you'll get better accuracy. Got 20 minutes before the market opens. Some people looking at the scanners wondering what the top mover is. Orchard Therapeutics. That's an acquisition. There's no trades to be had there. An acquisition. I'll put $16. That's why it's up 100%. Morning, Cal. Hope you're doing well, buddy. Yeah, well, I wish I could say that. First one was good. Graham's up there at 230. It's 230. It's not really doing much. This is doing less. Yeah, this has got to turn around right now or I'm gone. I remember right, this is the one that kept faking me out yesterday as well. Every time I sold, it rallied. Yeah, this is the one. I had a big loss on this yesterday. Big loss. Kept faking me out yesterday as well. Yeah, so the trades I've taken have been pretty much all subpar trades. Well, the results speak for themselves at the moment. Yeah, I don't like Femi either, but if you can take some. Okay, Spears, you say so. Let me just put my tinfoil hat on. Thing is, Spears, they're all controlled to a certain degree in the fact that the market makers control the action. What you see me doing on a regular basis lately is holding through consolidation, and it's not a good thing to do. Yeah, Femi, I need to size down and go back to basics. I think I've just been trading poorly for about 3 weeks. I got lucky. I think I got lucky with that 30 odd K day last week or the week before. It's papered over the cracks a little bit from the poor trading I've been doing. Well, you can't just stop hunting in pre-market. There's no stocks won't execute. That's the problem with it. Hey, Jonathan. Good to see you, buddy. See that 90. I'm in at 592. It went up to 593 on the ask. Didn't take the bid with it. 593, 594 on the ask. Where's the bid when you want it? Come on, $6. Can we get 6 on the bid? Got 6 on the ask. Can we get 6 on the bid? 6 on the bid. What we're looking for, 6 on the bid. Come on, let's break that 6. 598 on the ask. Looking for 598 on the bid. Just take the bloody bid with these narrow spreads. There's 6 on the ask. Looking for 6 on the bid. Yeah, no, you're probably right, Jonathan. Well, in fact, I know you're right. I've been uber aggressive when the market doesn't really know. Well, I thought we were going to get the continuation. There we go. There's a continuation. How far we're going to continue? Looking a little bit. Like, it's paid off this time, but it's I still don't recommend that you hold through consolidation. Absolutely not. Let's start playing ball. Get out. Super volatile swings. Yeah, let's have a look at Femi. A whole bunch of people shouting Femi at me. What the hell is that? It's getting a bit volatile there. Can't trade that. That's horrible. I mean, the volume's absolutely atrocious up until that point. And then it's almost barcoding. Within the range, there's a 32,000 sell order there at 279. $42,000 sell order. That ain't going anywhere. Oh, that trade did it. I managed to get, what's that, about $2 on that one. Euronav. Yeah. Breaking highs there, but on very crap volume. So I've got 10 minutes before the market opens, just under 10 minutes as it happens. Might just take your advice. I'm supposed to be the teacher there, Jonathan. I might take your advice and just size down, get some of those base hits in. And then a bit of support there down towards the viewer. BFS moved up 20 cents. Grom Social not really doing much between kind of 230, 235, just ranging sideways at the minute. Oh, it's up 237 briefly. Keep an eye on the IPOs. I think with 2 consecutive red days, I just need to lock in a green day and then go for something big tomorrow, maybe. Longer variant over 270 could be of interest. 271, 272 could be of interest. With a double bottom formation there on the 5 minute, 5 minute double bottom there at 250. So over 270 to 275, that could be a nice move on longer Fairrun. Let's see. Yeah, Euronav, it's very similar to Top Shipping as well. I mean, Top Financial popped and almost went parabolic yesterday. I'm like, can't even trade that because of the crappy leverage you get or lack of. Ooh, down into the 570s. I was right to exit when I did. $565 could be of interest. There's a dip buy. Well, the support's been in around that 575, 560, 570. You get the action down there. Troika. That's quite a spike up. Or is there any volume on it? No. I'll wait for the open, I think. A bit more volume at the open. We've got a little over 5 minutes before the market opens, and hopefully we'll get something that really does move and we can take advantage of it. We've not had any really good movements for a while. Been some nice moves, but nothing with that follow through that we like. So let's see what today gives us. A couple of things on the watch. VinFast, one of them. IPOs. We might have some volatility in the market today. Who knows? Have a look at Euronav. Is a volume coming in on that one now? It is on this candle. That's 80,000 shares. Big red candle, big red volume candle. 80,000 shares. That's the biggest volume candle of the day. $17.86. Spreads 13 cents. Range 17 cents. Probably not worth the risk, given that the volume is inconsistent, erratic, whatever. Longer variance at that breakout level right now. $272 from a 5-minute double bottom. Target 3. $0.30 target on that one. Cheers, Dennis. Come on, guys. Less than half of you actually hit that thumbs up button. Despite me, that's all I'm going on about right now. Well, I'm not in a trade. Just smack the thumbs up button for me. If you're not in a trade, if you're in a trade, carry on trading. But otherwise, just smash the thumbs up button and do me a favour, yeah? S&P 500 going green on the day. Just barely. Is it going to be like a nice green day on the market? We'll see. In fast. See if you can. I'll go smaller here. I'm thinking this might pop. Otherwise, if it breaks $9 after the bell, I can add. If it doesn't, I'll give it 10 cents. No, absolutely, Cal. You can swing traders can turn a swing trade into a day trade by closing it early. That's fine for a profit, but day traders should never hold on to a day trade overnight. Never let a day trade turn into a swing trade. Well, good luck with that one, Paul. I hope it works out for you, buddy. To be fair, that's one that I break a lot of my own rules, but that's one of them that I don't. Ah, that's not where I wanted that. That's a crap fill. Would you quit with these 10, 20 cent spreads? 15-cent spread. It's like, whoa, spread just took me out then. That was terrible. And it took me out for a profit at least. Let me change these scanners over to the regular session. Sort of feeling that VFS is going to do a gap and go for us. I wasn't wrong. Oof. Oh, Origenics halted straight away. Yeah, that's halted, but no volume on it. SME halted. Looks like a 650 resumption. This is probably one that I should be watching. Grom looking very close to a halt there. 288 is the halt level on Grom Social. As soon as that broke the pre-market high, I thought, okay, worth a look. Looking for 925 here. 920. $920 again. $923 on the ask. And we get 24 and 26. Ooh. Got some of it. Wasn't quick enough with my hot buttons to get the best part of it, so I'll wait now. Right, for another re-entry, as it were. What with the wide spreads, would you? Been fast. Well, VSME was it gapped up, then flushed back down again. Then it's testing $6 as support. Yeah, that's just terrible. Why am I not getting filled? Do I not like that? You know what? just updated the prospectus there. It looks like they're getting ready to hit the market with an offering. Get that. Where's my bloody cursor gone? $7 on the ask. Can we get $7 on? There we go. 705, 706 of my exits. Not bad. About to halt. Oh, false halt. 777 is the all-time high. Blue skies absolutely by the dip, but I'm not getting in on a halt. Looks like it's going to halt now. That's halted. So come back at 10 to. Motorsport Gaming Group. So there's a couple going to be resuming at 9:50. From 9:45 rather. Making 10-minute halt. Fairly thickly traded, actually, this. 317 alt level, so it'd be nice to get up there, but I don't think it's going there anytime soon. 280 would be nice. Yeah, I saw that. Missed it. Oh, we're waiting for that 380. 382 would be nice. But 382 on the ask. Fill that gap. $282 is first. Let's see if we can get to 280s. Let's get 380s. Struggling up there at the $250. $250 area. And you know what? Someone have a look at what the resumption price is going to be on VSME, please. Hey, Greg. It's pulling back now. $689. Well, it's pulling back now. Can't trade that one. I'm trading this one at a time. Can't catch them all. That's going to go up. What's the new high? Yeah, 750. I just saw that. 750 on that one. Not halted yet. I did that. There was rippage on that. Terrible. It's Yeah, absolutely all day. You're at goal, get out. Talk about recklessness. That's me. Getting antsy in my chair. The halt to the downside, $7 there, Phil. We're way off the downside halt. Tapping $8. That's where I'm in. 802 is ish. 865, 707 is the down halt now. 865 the up halt. So no worries about the down halt at the moment, unless it flushes hard and before I can catch it. Let's get my market order ready just in case. GVN red on the day, but trying to move back up. Ooh, what did I press that for like an idiot? Oh, you moron, Tony. Buy that back. Right, come on. I'm gonna fudge. Struggling to take dollars. I'm looking for $8 on the bid. Waiting for that $8 on the bid. I'll be waiting all day. But that's what I'm waiting for. Why did I only get 5 off there? That back. I managed to get 5 off. Pretty sure I pressed the button twice. We'll see. This is looking very M pattern-ish, double top-ish. So I'm just going to start scaling out this opportunity. Why are you jumping from 60 to 80? It makes no sense. I like it if you jump again from 80 to 8. Take the bid with you. Take the bid with you. 87. 10 cents up there, and I'm not. The bid's still. I'm still not profitable. That was a big pullback. High of day 864 on that candle. Oh, and it's now pulled back a whole dollar. Rather than selling, I just bought more. Why not? If you're going to be degenerate, you may as well do it properly. Another big red day for me. Don't trade like this, guys. Like I have been doing this last 3 days. Today and yesterday and Tuesday. You know what, Ricky? That's probably not a bad idea. But I think I'm doing that organically, don't you think? This took 19k off me yesterday via something. Well, I suppose the good thing is it's not going to take 19k off me. Not like yesterday. Still taking what 12 or something off me though. $15. Do as I say, not as I do, exactly. Yeah, mate. Right on that. I didn't even do that, so hit my stop right on that halt level. Is why I put it there. Well, that's me done, guys. Way over my max loss. Way over my max loss. Turbo energy moving up. No volume. Excuse me. That's a massive drawdown that I'm in there. Probably rivals my my largest one. Not quite. Actually, it probably does actually. Let me just have a quick look at what's my drawdown. Just looking at my drawdown. Yeah, I'm 43 before today. Ouch. That's going to be a 60k drawdown by the time I'm finished. 43 plus, yeah, 60k drawdown. That's rivaling my largest drawdown of the year, which was 60 just under 64k. So when you're saying that, came back up from that one in 2 days. So this is the 4th. Let's have a look at that on the calendar. What was the 4th? Big drawdown, 50k drawdown on the 24th. That's why I came back. So on the 27th, I had one of my biggest ever trades, 132. I think it was my biggest ever trade. Yeah, 132k trade on 27th. So that got me out of that drawdown. So I need a 100k trade to get me out of this drawdown tomorrow. That'd be nice. Can't see that happening. Yeah, I mean, it's one of those that it seems like there's volatility in the market, but it's the volatility is to the safe side. It's not bullish volatility. It's bearish. So, what are you giving thanks for, Calvus? Think about it, guys. The world doesn't end at California, San Francisco, and begin at New York. Trust me. You guys have Thanksgiving, which is from when the settlers arrived from Europe into the US. Why would they have Thanksgiving in the Philippines? Come on. It's like where was I? I think I was in Norway, and an American asked me what would I be doing. It was like July the 2nd or something. What am I doing on July the 4th? And same thing I always do. So you're not celebrating Independence Day? I'm like, why would I? I'm English. Doesn't bother me. Yeah, it actually, Volts, I don't know about that, but yeah, it's unlikely. It's not impossible. It's unlikely. But yeah, I've been a very naughty boy this week. That's for sure. Yeah, but there you go. But the Thanksgiving in Canada is the same thing. It's from the settlers arrived, and but Canada, US, the world doesn't it doesn't end at the East Coast and start at the West Coast. Do you know what I mean? The world's a big place, and the Philippines. Why would they celebrate Thanksgiving? Yeah, absolutely. For those of you that are not trading, yeah, that's a good point, Niall. I'm just looking at the details here. So for the year, I'm still ahead of goal. I'm still ahead pro rata of goal. So October is month 10. So I should be 1.2. I'm 1.13 before today. So I was before today. I was 70k away from the end of October goal, pro rata. So I can still balance the books. That's a very good point, Niall. Cheers, buddy. Still balance the books. It's a big drawdown to recover from, but we can do. If we recover the drawdown, what's that, 25? So that takes 50. I need 50k to get to goal. No, I need 100k to get to goal for the month. So yeah, I need to get to I now need 100k an additional 100k to get to goal ish. But no, 90k, give or take. That bounce back from worst, Cal, but I need to take a good look at myself and give myself a slap on the wrist. I've just been trading way too aggressive this last couple of days. I'm going in like stupid size, going in for like 10 of. The thing is, though, I'm getting filled. So I need to size down and concentrate on base hits again. Being a degenerate is not paying off. It very rarely does. So back to basics, I think. Full fire energy, no. No, no, no. Unicure, no. Oh, it is, Neef. It is. It's a Catholic country. I am, yeah. Stone cold. But on the account side, I'm not under 6 figures for the year. I'm back into 6 figures, yeah. Because under 6 figures means 5 figures, and yeah. So I'm back into 6 figures for the year. Do you know what? My best, statistically speaking, my best time is between 10:45. I was looking at these statistics earlier today. 10:45 and 11. But that's across my whole trading, all my statistics since I started recording them. So that's my best time. But the market's changed. So if I look at like this year alone, I can look at the days and times. And my best time, let's look at 15-minute sections. My most productive is actually from 12:30 to 12:45 this year, followed by 10:45 to 11. That's probably because of the big win I had there back in May. But yeah. Well, it is. I would say it's in line with 10:45 to 11 is my most productive time, most positive time. 7:45 to 8 is actually third in terms of 15-minute segments in terms of locking in the profits. So I do lock in profits. If I look at it from a 30-minute point of view, that should give a better understanding from then. 11 till 11:30 on a 30-minute point of view, followed by 7:30 till 8. On the hourly, it's 11 o'clock. So yeah, we'll see. It's doing well in September. We did 103 in September, and we're now over 60k down in October. So that's not a good start. Well, not 60k down, we're 60k in losses in October. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, not following the strategy, not following the rules, Cal, being over aggressive. It works when it works, and when it doesn't, it costs. No, absolutely, Cal. It humbles you. It humbles you. As soon as you start thinking that you know better than the market, it humbles you real quick. We'll see. We'll see, Niall. We'll see. I've come back. Like I said, I've come back from worse, so we'll do it again tomorrow, I guess. I'm gonna take a break. So you guys take it easy. Flip jug, I don't need to reload it yet. I'll reload if it goes below 30k. I'll reload it. That's what I'll do now, because I'll make sure that I'm above 30k so I can actually trade decent. But if it goes below 30k, I'll reload. Otherwise, we'll see. Yeah, you're getting some feedback. Multisport gaming, but it spiked up on. It got one candle above 20k. Oh, tell a lie, 2 candles above 20k volume. Look, I've not been trading with the best, but I'm certainly not going to trade this. If the volume starts to be consistent over the next 5 minutes, then we'll get a nice little bullish run maybe. But it's just not. There's not enough people trading it right now. Maybe VFS could be curling around. Do you know what? I'm just going to back away and come back at it tomorrow fresh as a daisy. So I have to watch replays. Actually, I've not been doing that. I've not been doing my trade recap, so it's forcing me to watch the replays whilst I'm editing them. So I'll probably do. I'll get up in the morning and do some edits, and I'll know where I went wrong. No, absolutely, Cal. That's why I use TraderView to record my trades. You import your trades into TraderView, and then you can review them later and say, look, clearly I did that wrong. But it's even better if you record, like video record your trading. I do that by default because I'm live on YouTube. It's for everybody to see. But you can see straight away what you're doing wrong and why you didn't get out when you should have got out. And like VFS, I took positions and I should have got out, held it. I should have got out at the VWAP. I probably would have been still positive if I got out at the VWAP. But there you go. This week has been my sizing vault. I've been way too aggressive. So I'm going to size down tomorrow and just lock in a green day tomorrow. So yeah, I'm way over my 14k was my max loss today, so I'm almost double max loss today. So I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll do it all again, and hopefully you won't see me trading like an idiot this time. Okay, cheers, guys. Look, it's a pain in the hole. It really is, and it stings, but it's part of trading. You're going to have periods of downturn periods. You're going to have red periods. You're going to have red days. You want to try and keep your red days small, unlike me. Like I said, do as I say, not as I do. And yeah, I mean, learn from your mistakes. I seem to be making a lot of the same mistakes over and over. So we'll see tomorrow. In the meantime, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you tomorrow. 8:30 is when I start the live stream. I might be trading early tomorrow because I came in today, sat down. My wife and my fiance and child took a nap, so I sat at the desk and had a look. There was nothing moving. I managed to catch an early pop on LGVN, which is a pop and drop, but I got the pop, so I might see that tomorrow. I record all my trades. So that's not a problem, but I'll be live from 8:30 tomorrow, same place, same time, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, guys, take it easy.